Clarita Chua, a Year 2 Computer Science student.
Hi, I'm Swati, currently a Year 2 student studying Computer Science in NTU. So I'm currently going to introduce the module CGV, Computer Graphics and Visualization to you.
So I find CGV really interesting because I could really see the basis of visualization and how mathematical functions are integrated to create objects. It made me appreciate and understand the dynamics behind animation. The CGV module we take in NTU allows us to explore our imagination and creative side. I'll be taking us through one of the labs we did in CGV. So we explore morphing, where one shape changes to another shape in a time interval. So you can see shape 6 is morphing into shape 9.
So what the module is about, it's basically lots and lots of fun. And if you love math, this is the module for you. So you get to visualize shapes, create your own model, and especially this particular lab, it's free to your imagination and you get to do whatever you want to do and build a particular object of your liking. So what I made is a dog.
And I made a penguin.
So for me, right, computer science is always about practical learning because you can never by heart code and then do what you like. So for me, the advice to you guys is go ahead, experiment with stuff and do what you like, and you will have super fun in computer science because it is all about doing and learning. So I personally love it and enjoy it.
Well, I would say explore your opportunities, especially out of class activities, because NTU has a wide array of venues to practice and apply your practical knowledge. So join external and internal events like hackathons hosted by our faculty, because that's where you can learn and meet like-minded individuals from different faculty.
Hi, I'm Jasly, a Year 1 Computer Engineering student in SCSE. I'm going to introduce a game development application called Unity 3D. So Unity 3D is a very popular game engine, and as its name implies, 3D games and even 2D side-scrollers can be created using Unity 3D. Famous games like Overcooked, Pokemon Go and Hearthstone are created using Unity 3D. Unity 3D can be integrated with the Leap Motion controller, which allows the games to be played through hand motions and gestures detected through the controller. Students will be able to experience this through a course called Physics for Computing. Being in computer engineering in NTU gave me a deeper insight on the interaction between humans and machines. It gave me the opportunity to witness and experience firsthand the actualization of our ideas and how to solve problems and optimize our daily processes. My advice to prospective students is to have the right mindset and work ethic. We all came here to learn as much as we can and gain experience before entering the workforce. Make friends, look out for one another, and help each other.
Hi everyone, I'm Lionel, Year 4 student studying computer science. Today I'm working on robotics. Let me take you a sneak peek on what I'm doing. SCSE provides students with a wide-ranging education from artificial intelligence, data science, computer vision, software engineering, and more, allowing students to explore areas of research in STEM education. So one of the courses students will take in SCSE is to build an autonomous robot from scratch with a team of unfamiliar people with a maze that you have not seen before to simulate a real-life working environment. I say, explore your options and dare to chase your dreams. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I hope to see you soon, and all the best to your discovery.